Welcome. Today, we're diving into something simple but powerful: how the right habits, small changes, and mindful choices can help you feel energetic, healthy, and youthful at any age. Just like the way a few key sauces can transform a meal, a few simple changes can transform your health and wellness. First, let's talk about food. Eating well doesn't have to be complicated. Focus on colorful fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Imagine your plate as a rainbow of nutrients that nourish your body and mind. Small adjustments, like adding a handful of nuts to your breakfast or choosing olive oil over butter, can make a huge difference in how you feel every day. Eating well as we age is one of the most important steps we can take toward maintaining energy, vitality, and overall health. The foods we choose become the fuel that powers our body, supports our immune system, and keeps our mind sharp. Focusing on a colorful variety of fruits and vegetables ensures that we get a wide range of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, all of which help protect the body from inflammation and age-related illnesses. Bright reds, deep greens, vibrant oranges, and purples aren't just visually appealing. They signal the presence of essential nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin K, beta-carotene, and anthocyanins, which are vital for everything from heart health to cognitive function. Including lean proteins in your diet is equally crucial. Proteins provide the building blocks for muscles, skin, and bones, helping to prevent age-related muscle loss, which can affect mobility and overall strength. Options like fish, chicken, eggs, beans, lentils, and low-fat dairy offer high-quality protein without the added saturated fat found in some processed meats. Pairing these proteins with fiber-rich whole grains, such as brown rice, quinoa, oats, and whole wheat, not only keeps blood sugar levels stable, but also supports digestive health, which tends to slow down with age. Healthy fats are another essential ingredient for senior health. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish like salmon and mackerel, as well as nuts, seeds, and olive oil, help maintain cardiovascular health, improve joint function, and even support brain health. Rather than avoiding fats altogether, focusing on these beneficial sources helps regulate cholesterol levels, reduces inflammation, and provides a satisfying source of energy that keeps you fuller for longer. Small, mindful adjustments in daily eating habits can make a significant difference over time. Simple actions like adding a handful of almonds to breakfast, drizzling olive oil over roasted vegetables, or including a portion of leafy greens at every meal can slowly build healthier routines without feeling overwhelming. These small changes also encourage a more conscious approach to eating, allowing seniors to pay attention to portion sizes, food quality, and variety in their diet. Hydration is often overlooked, but is just as important as the food we consume. Drinking adequate water throughout the day supports digestion, circulation, and temperature regulation while keeping the skin supple and the body functioning optimally. Herbal teas, infused water, and naturally hydrating fruits and vegetables like cucumbers, watermelon, and oranges can be a tasty way to meet fluid needs while adding extra vitamins and antioxidants. Focusing on nutrition in this holistic way empowers older adults to take control of their health, energize their bodies, and support long-term wellness through simple, manageable, and enjoyable choices. Movement is one of the most powerful tools for maintaining health, energy, and independence as we age. It doesn't require running marathons, lifting heavy weights, or spending hours in a gym. Even gentle, consistent activity can have profound effects on the body and mind. Walking, for example, is a simple yet incredibly effective way to keep the cardiovascular system strong, improve circulation, and maintain joint mobility. A daily walk, even if it's just 15 to 30 minutes, helps strengthen the heart, supports lung function, and can significantly boost energy levels, making everyday tasks feel easier and less tiring. Stretching is another fundamental practice for older adults. As we age, muscles and connective tissues naturally lose flexibility, which can lead to stiffness, discomfort, and a higher risk of injury. Regular stretching routines, whether through simple exercises at home or guided sessions like yoga, help maintain mobility, improve posture, and relieve tension in the muscles. Stretching also promotes better balance, which is crucial for preventing falls. One of the most common risks for seniors, light strength training, is equally important. even if it involves just bodyweight exercises, resistance bands, or light dumbbells. Building and maintaining muscle mass supports bone density, strengthens joints, and makes daily activities such as climbing stairs, carrying groceries, or even standing from a chair much easier. Strength training also plays a role in regulating metabolism, helping the body burn calories more efficiently and maintain a healthy weight. By focusing on functional movements that mimic everyday tasks, older adults can increase their independence and reduce the likelihood of injuries. Incorporating movement into daily routines doesn't have to feel like a chore. Activities like gardening, dancing, swimming, or even playful interactions with grandchildren provide both physical activity and emotional joy. Consistency is more important than intensity. Doing small, manageable sessions regularly is far more effective than occasional intense workouts. These activities release endorphins, the body's natural mood boosters, reducing stress, anxiety, and feelings of fatigue. Physical activity also improves sleep quality, which further enhances energy levels, mental clarity, and overall well-being. Balance and coordination exercises should not be overlooked either. Simple practices such as standing on one foot, heel-to-toe walking, or gentle Tai Chi routines enhance proprioception, the body's awareness of its position in space. This reduces the risk of falls and strengthens the connection between mind and body. Seniors who practice balance exercises regularly often report feeling more confident, agile, and capable in their daily lives. Ultimately, movement is not just about fitness. It's about maintaining independence, vitality, and a sense of empowerment. It's a reminder that the body is designed to move, and even small, consistent steps toward activity can dramatically improve quality of life, energy levels, and overall health. Making exercise a joyful and regular part of life ensures that the body remains strong, flexible, and resilient. Allowing older adults to embrace life fully, lifestyle habits play a crucial role in shaping overall health, energy, and longevity, especially as we grow older. While diet and exercise are vital, the way we live day to day, how we sleep, hydrate, relax, and spend our time, has an equally powerful impact on wellness. Sleep, for instance, is the foundation of recovery, repair, and cognitive function. Older adults often face challenges with sleep, whether it's difficulty falling asleep, staying asleep, or experiencing restful sleep. Prioritizing a consistent sleep schedule, creating a calm and dark sleeping environment, and avoiding stimulants like caffeine or heavy meals close to bedtime can make a significant difference. Quality sleep helps the body repair muscles, regulate hormones, maintain immune function, and support mental clarity, which collectively contribute to feeling energetic and alert throughout the day. Hydration is another essential lifestyle habit that is often overlooked. As we age, our sense of thirst diminishes, making it easy to become dehydrated without realizing it. Drinking enough water throughout the day aids digestion, keeps the skin healthy, supports joint function, and ensures that every organ system works efficiently. Incorporating hydrating foods such as fruits and vegetables or herbal teas can complement water intake and provide additional nutrients and antioxidants. Staying properly hydrated also supports mental focus and prevents fatigue, dizziness, and other common issues associated with dehydration. Daily routines that incorporate joy, relaxation, and connection can have profound effects on overall well-being. Engaging in hobbies, spending time with family and friends, and pursuing creative or meaningful activities release positive neurochemicals in the brain that improve mood and reduce stress. Chronic stress can negatively impact health by weakening the immune system, increasing inflammation, and contributing to high blood pressure or heart problems. Therefore, integrating mindfulness practices, meditation, or even simple deep breathing exercises into daily life can help manage stress and maintain a calm, positive mindset. Social connections are equally vital for senior wellness. Loneliness and isolation can lead to mental and physical decline, whereas regular interaction with loved ones, community groups, or hobby clubs provides emotional support, motivation, and mental stimulation. Sharing experiences, laughter, and support with others creates a sense of belonging and reinforces a purpose-driven life. Even simple activities like phone calls, group walks, or participating in volunteer work can foster engagement and vitality. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe for next interesting and informative videos.